Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the VMware Workstation Unrecoverable error. mksISBRendererComm. Lost connection to mksSandbox 2878 error in VMware Workstation. So let's start. So first of all, I am opening this virtual machine in my VMware Workstation Pro. And here you can see the error code. This error message indicates that the virtual machine's console has lost connection to the VMware Workstation application. This error can be caused by various reasons such as network issues, incompatible hardware, or corrupted VMware Workstation installation. But there is a common error, which is 3D hardware acceleration. To do this, go to the virtual machine settings. Select the display option and uncheck the accelerate 3D graphics option. This can help resolve compatibility issues that may be causing the connection loss. And here you can see my Kali Linux is normally started without any error. So that is it. This is the way how to fix the VMware Workstation Unrecoverable error. mksISBRendererComm. Lost connection to mksSandbox 2878 error in VMware Workstation. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.